Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Sinking Funds. It is payday week and we are stuffing my sinking funds. Now, if you love this video as much as I do, I love watching these videos, make sure you subscribe down below, make sure you comment and let me know if you have a channel, let me know if you are doing sinking funds also, and I will be sure to check your channel out. Let's all just support each other and encourage us to save up as much money as possible so we do not have to be burdened on bills and everything else. But without further ado, let's get on with the video. Now, if you have seen my stuffing my cash envelopes, you will know that I have $277 to work with for my sinking funds. Plus, we also have leftovers from my cash envelopes from last week that we will get into in a few after we stuff my other sinking funds first. And then we will put the extra money in whatever envelope we want to put in. Now, like I said, this is my little format that I do. This kit is from Simply Cami. Her information will be down below. Absolutely love her. It's my first kit that I have gotten. But we are going to stuff our cash envelopes. Well, we're going to write it down first, and then we're going to stuff them. So we have $277 to work with. Now, vacation, everybody knows I'm going to Disney at the end of the month, and I'm trying to save as much as possible. So, $277, we are going to put $200. And then let's just go ahead and subtract that. So we have $77 to work with. Wedding and baby shower. The baby shower is coming up in 2 weeks, and the wedding shower is actually next week. So we are going to put $40. College, I just paid for my tuition for the semester, so I do not need to be paying for anything else. I will start that back up in August or September so I can save up for the spring semester. Christmas is going to be $5. Christmas is just around the corner and it's kind of scary. Black Friday is $5 as well. Medical, I have spent all of my medical money, and then I have a doctor's appointment coming up in September, and then I really want to make an appointment to get my teeth clean. Birthday and gift, I have been using that a lot also. And then car maintenance is $5. I have to make sure I have enough money or a little bit of money just in case something happens while we are at Disney, like my car or something, I don't know, God forbids. And then ACT, I am putting $12. I'm actually going to be buying my, I guess, register for it because my test is actually next week. So that is crazy. So we're going to total all this up, and it should equals to $277. So that's 240, 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5. Hopefully that's right. Plus 12. Yep, $277. So now we are going to write down how much we need for the bank. 120, 10, because I know we're not going to get any 50s, and then 1. So $100, we're going to have 2 for vacation. Wedding is going to get 2 20s, and then we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We're not going to have any of 10s, and then 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, we are going to have a 10, and then ACT 10, and then 1s, 1, 2. So that is going to be 2, 2, 1, 5, and 2. All right, and then we're just going to add this up and make sure that everything is accounted for. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. All right, so that is $277. So that is how much I am going to be getting out of the bank. So I'm going to run to the bank and then we will get to stuffing. All right, you guys, so I am back from the bank and I got $277 out. And let's just go straight into it and let's get to stuffing. So vacation, we are going to put $200. And then we are going to count how much is in here like I always do every single video. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 55. So that's $555. All right. Wedding is going to be $40. Wedding or baby shower, and there is nothing in here. So I gotta run this through the laminator again. College, we're not going to put anything in there this week. Like I said, we're going to start back in August. Christmas, we're going to put $5, making it $10. All right, Black Friday. It is $5. That's 15. 20, 30, 35, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. I absolutely love these videos. These are like my favorite videos ever. Alright, medical. I don't have a doctor's appointment until September, so we're going to put just $5 in there. Birthdays and gifts. I don't have anybody's birthdays or gifts. Let me take this receipt out. I already bought gifts for my niece whose birthday is in a couple of weeks. But I already got that, so I'm good on that. So $5, $5, $6, and $7 for gifts and birthdays. All right, car. It's going to get $5. A lot of ones. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So that's $18. And you know what I made? I made a mistake. I shouldn't have written anything because I forgot I had $10 from my cash envelopes that I need to put somewhere. And ACT, I do have that $16 that's in the bank. Plus I got $12 out just in case. That should cover like the fee, the testing, the registration, all that stuff. So hopefully I won't have to buy anything else. Hopefully that's enough to cover. 30, 35, 36, 37. All right, now we still got $10 to put somewhere. So after I do the totals and everything, I believe that car maintenance, since it's $18, I'm just going to give it an even $2 to make it $20. And I'm just going to white all this out later. Just going to scratch it out. It's fine. All right. Black Friday, let's give it an even $3 to make it $60. I like even numbers, if you can't tell. Alright, and then let's do birthdays and gifts, an even $3. So that would be $10. And I'm just going to white out everything like I said. And let's see, I could put $2 somewhere. Or I could just, I'm going to put it all towards my vacation. So that's 5, 10, 11, 12. $12. So that is, make sure I get the calculations right. I don't want to mess up. $567. And that's going to go in vacation. Now, I don't know if I'm going to get, like, gift cards or just carry all the cash, put it back in my debit card. I'm not sure yet. If you have any advice on that, let me know down below. So, we are going to do the total of everything. So, that's 567 plus 40 plus 10 plus 60 plus 5 plus 10 plus 20 plus 37. So that equals to $749. That is awesome, you guys. So I still have one more paycheck until vacation, and then one more stuffing my cash envelope for the month of July. But I think we are doing really, really good. Hopefully we can hit the 1,000 mark at the end of this month. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But I'm not going to worry about it too much. So, like I said before, I hope y'all have a great weekend. Let me know if y'all enjoy cash envelopes or sinking funds as much as I do. And I will see you guys sometime this weekend for a weekly add and insert and what I eat for dinner and a grocery haul. That's a lot of stuff to look forward to. So, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment down below anything you want me to know about. And I will see you guys later. Bye.